Under 90-second how-to drop fade tutorial. Let's begin by parting at the recessions, and the goal of this is to isolate the top from the sides and creating a horseshoe part. Because the finished look is a comb back style, we will cut with diagonal back sections. Make sure to work your way all around the head, then come back to the top and work with vertical sections to isolate the center part and then elevate to cut the hair. Notice my body posture is nice and balanced. Lift the hair with adequate tension. When cutting, make sure to use thin sections. Now let's connect the top and the sides. We're going to achieve this by over-directing the top hair to the side. So locate the guide and then cut. This step will establish a crucial foundation for our haircut. Very important to cross-check scissor work for balance. If you cut with vertical sections, then cross-check with horizontal sections. Always use thin sections and make sure to cross-check the entire top of the head. Now let's give this haircut life. Time to blow dry in style. This is where the magic happens because we bring everything we've done together. Blow drying tips. Tip number 1, more tension equals more volume. Tip number 2, blow dryer always follows the brush. Now time to start fading. Make sure to set a guideline with delivered clothes all around the head. Use Solus 10 for 10% off your next purchase at Wall Pro, and don't forget to subscribe.